One of the absolute coolest celestial events we're all likely to see in our lifetime is a solar eclipse. An eclipse has a lot of value scientifically speaking because it blocks out a lot of light from the main bulk of the sun, and it lets scientists study the corona, which is this glowing bit around what is the moon. The reason I'm bringing this up in my The Earth is Not Flat series is because the flat Earth has a really big problem when it comes to eclipses because, well, they can't explain it. In reality, the way an eclipse works is very simple. The moon goes in front of the Earth between the sun, blocking the light from the sun and casting a shadow upon the surface of the Earth. The eclipse can be full, like is shown in the picture, or partial, where only some of the sun gets covered up by the moon because of where the moon is in the sky. Similarly, a lunar eclipse is also explained in the exact same way, only this time it's the Earth casting a shadow on the moon and not the moon casting a shadow on the Earth. Side note, by the way, it's just a coincidence that the moon can cover the sun completely. It just so happens they're the same angular size in the sky. Angular size is determined by two things: the distance from the observer and the size of the object itself. That means small objects nearby look about the same size as big objects far away. The moon is moving away from the Earth at a rate of about 3 centimeters per year, which means at some point in the future the moon will not be big enough to cover the sun and we will no longer be able to see a solar eclipse. As I mentioned yesterday, most flat Earth models have both a moon and a sun that are about the same distance away from the Earth and about the same size and rotate a point above the center of the disk. There is absolutely nothing here that can get in the way of the sun to create a solar eclipse or in the way of the moon to create a lunar eclipse. The only possible explanation there could be is if some form of external space debris gets in front of the sun. However, that wouldn't explain the regularity and predictability with which we can measure solar eclipses, and lunar eclipses for that matter. This has been video 5 of my The Earth is Not Flat series, so please make sure you're liking and following so you don't miss the last 2 videos. Comment any questions you have, and please share this video with anyone you know who believes in the flat Earth, because I would love to hear what they have to say about it. Until next time, I have been Dr. Alex Foden, the Science Wrangler, and I shall see you one of these days.